400 leads, 51 appointments booked and 4 closing. This is the result we have generated for our realtor client just through one system. And in this video, I am going to talk about the system and I am going to explain you each and every step what we followed and how you can follow that and generate the same result for you. So you don't need to watch any other video or follow any other system. Just watch this video and you will have all the answers on how you can grow your business and how you can generate leads for that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, my name is Shashwat. I help real estate agents grow their business with modern lead generation systems that actually works in the market. No cold calling, no door knocking, no old tactics. Just real leads from the people who are looking to buy or sell their properties. So I want to continue this video with a story. So few months back, we had one of my real estate client reached out to us because things were not working for them. They were relying on referrals and overpriced leads from Zillow, but the quality was not up to the mark. You know how it goes. You call the lead and you got to know that 3 other agents beat you up there. Because on platforms like Zillow or realtor.com, the competition is very much high. There are thousands and lakhs of real estate agents there and they are struggling to generate leads. So if you want to find leads from Zillow, you have to spend heavily and there is no guarantee that you will get good quality of leads. And that's what my client was facing. He told us that he wants something consistent, something that he can rely on and something that works for a long term. So he asked that can we help them. So we took the opportunity and built the system and launched the campaign. And I am going to show you the exact system and steps on how you can adopt that and generate leads for yourself. Because I have generated these kind of results for many clients and we have 4 years of experience in it. So let's go to my desktop screen and see how I did that.
So this is the ads manager where we run ads for our clients, and this is one of our clients ad account where we have generated almost, you can see, 400 leads. There is 307 leads from one campaign, there is 74 leads from other campaign, and there is 12 leads from some other campaign. This is the new campaign, that's why the lead number is less, but more or less we have generated almost 400 leads for this client. If I show you the objectives, so all these campaigns have a lead generation objective. We've only designed these ads to generate leads, not to market ourselves or not to generate any other results. We only design these ads to market ourselves.
So as you have seen that how many leads we have generated, it was not very difficult. See, lead is never the problem. The lack of system is. Most of the agents don't have a proper system. They only rely on word of mouth, referrals and hope. But if you are running a business, you need a pipeline that feeds you every week. You need to control your traffic, your messages and conversion systems, and that's what we have built for our realtor clients. And when that's dialed in, your confidence goes up, because when you wake up in the morning, you see there are a lot of leads in the CRM, and now you are not chasing leads, you are choosing leads. So if you are a solo agent or you have a small team and you are tired of relying on referrals or word of mouth or slow growth, then this is for you. This system is for you. Neither you need a massive budget nor you need a massive following. You just need a clear offer, smart ad and a smart follow-up system. So if that sounds like something you want in your business, then you can reach out to us. You can just go to description and there is a link. So you can book a quick 15-minute call, and in that call I will explain you each and every step on how we can help you, what are the strategies we are doing it, how we can generate leads for you, and I will let you know the exact step which we are going to do you to generate leads. And even if we don't work together, you will still walk away with a lot of clarity. See, realtors are winning right now, but only those who are taking their business seriously. If you want consistent closings, full pipeline and time freedom, then let's make it happen. And hit the like button if this helped, and subscribe if you want more real estate growth contents.